Well, Chicos, as we wrap up our time here in Mexico City, I just can't help but think what an amazing city this is, and I really can't wait till we return again. And we love bringing people here and going here with different people just to see their expressions and what they think of this city. Is it the same as us? Because we absolutely love visiting Mexico City, and every time we go, we discover something new. Nothing is ever the same. Even though it's the same city and we're in the same area, we are still discovering something new every single time. It is such an amazing city to visit. I'm not sure I would want to live here. I thought I could, but after visiting it quite a few times now, I'm really not sure I'm ready for such a drastic change in environment. But I sure do love visiting this city, and so does Jennifer. I believe there is no city in North America like it. It's a very, very special, special place. It truly, truly is. The people are so friendly. The food is absolutely amazing. You cannot take a step without noticing the culture. It surrounds you in the language, the food, the music, the way they treat one another every single day. It's truly a special, magical city. We have yet to scratch the surface of things to do here in Mexico City. It is so large. There's so many more things that we want to do. We haven't even been to the ruins yet. And that's one of the biggest highlights of coming to Mexico City. I truly believe that Mexico City offers something for everybody. Even the most seasoned traveler will enjoy Mexico City. It really does offer something for everybody, young and old, single, couples, families. There's just something for everybody in this city. Well, guys, welcome to our channel. We are two gringos on the Gulf, two Canadians that moved to Mexico, October 2021. Now, we've been exploring Mexico for almost 5 years now and bringing you guys along with us. We truly hope you enjoy our adventures and stick around for more. Let's see what else Mexico has to offer. Let's carry on with our 4K walking tour here, my friend. Vamonos, let's go see what this city has to offer before we head out. This is our final days in Mexico City. And be sure to drop us a comment, guys. We love hearing from you and let us know where you're watching from and what's your favorite part of Mexico City. Have you ever been here? Do you want to come here? Let us know in the comments. We truly love reading them and replying back to all of them.
Y de la noche a la yo trabajo, no trabajo cuando empiezas a trabajar.
You got the walk button.
You want to walk back this way or
We got over an hour.
a little bit more, maybe another block?
Whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot more electric scooters down here now. Way more from the last time I came. Yeah, let's do it. Do it up.
Ya me saldré ahora sí.
Estamos bien. Looks really good though. We should have come here for breakfast. Get something for Chuck. Now, the reason for this trip was to go to the Rush concert, a Canadian rock band that was playing here in Mexico City. Now, it just happened that FIFA, the World Cup, was going on at the same time. So that made this trip extra, extra special and magical, we must admit. Aww. So as we walk through the city streets, guys, just notice what you don't see. Like, observe the people, what everybody is doing, and just the people in general. What are you not seeing that you will typically see in a big city in Canada or the USA? Because I can name a few things that I'm not seeing that I would see if I was back in Canada or a big city in the USA. Let me know in the comments. What are you not seeing in this 4K beautiful walk in Mexico City? Now, I've been meaning to try this juice bar since we've been here, and it's our last day here, so I'm getting me some fresh juice. Let's go inside and check it out, my friend. All raw, real, and natural. Vámonos, let's go. What would you like, my love?
I don't want anything.
I have a jugo verde.
¿Jugo verde, sí?
Sí.
¿Pequeño o grande?
Pequeño.
Este pequeño, este grande.
Pequeño.
¿Para tomar aquí o para llevar? Para llevar. Un verde de medio para llevar, niñas, por favor.
So 70, 85. Yeah, I really wanted to come here and check this out and get a juice. It's all fresh, natural, as you can see. Got some celery here. Oh, can't get any fresher than that. Good teamwork. That's a workout. There you go. $500 ml or 1 liter. 75 and 95 seems to be the going rate. Pina is 120 or 80. That's a little bit more. Oh, they sell food here too. Tartas. A little bit of food. So fresh fruit snack bar. There's your jalapenos ready to go. Alright. So guys, my juice is absolutely amazing. It's not cold. They serve it like room temperature, but it's got a really, really nice flavor. I can taste the celery and all the fresh goodness in there. It's such a healthy drink. No sugar added. It's all natural, as you saw. She blended it up. I kind of missed that, but that was it. She put it in a blender and blended it up and then poured her out. It's really, really good though. It's got it's got parsley in it as well, and I think a little bit of mint leaf. So it's really, really tasty. Okay, vámonos. Let's go. Packing up. Our tiny little room. Adios, Mexico. We fly out in 1 hour. Well, we got to be at the airport in an hour and a half, couple hours, so we're going to be leaving right away. So, well, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for joining us on this Mexico tour. We'll document our travels home and start editing videos when I get home. Vámonos, let's go. Adios, hasta luego, God bless, Dios te bendiga. Remember, as always, be kind to one another.
Okay, vamos a la playa.
Yeah, vamos a la playa. Yeah, now you can say vamos a la playa. Jacqueline just wants to go to the pool.
On the Gulf, just us and the tide slow pull, chasing the horizon, feeling that freedom to the full. Yeah, it's 2 gringos on the Gulf where the salty breeze blows free, casting lines and making memories, wild and happy as can be.
Okay, we went through security, it was a breeze, and now we're gonna go get ourselves a coffee. Nice airport, they got a lot of restaurants and stuff on the other side. We just beelined her straight for the gate though, to get through security. That's a muy grande. Check out these loungers. These are pretty cool. That's awesome. It's like looking at a big screen TV. Very, very cool. Nice airport. Very nice, this one. It's just so far out though. Like it's a 40-minute Uber ride.
It's probably closer to an hour, right?
Well, this guy here, he was driving pretty fast though. Our Uber driver was flying. So we just left the Cancun airport and we got pulled over. They wanted to check the driver's documents to make sure he was all legal. Everything was good though.